going to show you how to manually create a price book. So here we are on the ReshapeX dashboard. We'll go down to Pricebooks here, and then we'll click Create Price Book. We'll call this one Test Price Book. We will select a vendor, description, price book description, North America, currency US dollars. So you could change that however you need to. And then we create it here. So to do this manually, you can go record by record. So this might be a Cobot palletizer, 50 kg. And then the SKU might be CB50. Offering could be whatever you need it to. We'll call this one and we'll do 125,000, cadence of one time. Is it taxable? Yes or no? And then we could put lead time in as 14 days. The minimum lead time, and then we'll hit save. And that's how you go in and create a manual price book entry. So you just go through and you can create as many records as you want.